Alright, I'm doing final assembly. I've clipped this in here. Then you put the wire harness into its sockets. Place. Damn it. Stay in place, you stupid phone. There we go. It's over here. There's one over here. This goes over here. Okie dokie. Let me remove that. This is gonna go over here. And take one forward. A bit smaller. This one should be okay. There we go. Yeah. Nothing too tight. It's plastic. This is in, this is in. This one's gonna go all the way here to the water pump. Okay. Click. Won't bother. Fuck it. Okay, this is clipped in, clipped in. Now we're gonna do the air box. Let me see, this is clipped in, clipped in. This is clipped in. Oh, I gotta screw this one in. Okay. Which one is that? There we go. That's an easy screw in. That's it. Nothing too tight, just by hand. Okey-dokey. This is clipped in. The way you take these clips out is you pull this out. I mean, you just lift this up. Here we go. I'll show you guys. Here we go. Yeah, see? And then you do the same thing on the bottom. So this goes up. The one on the bottom goes up. This one slides up. It's a two-piece. There's one green here and the one green from here. All right. This is plugged in. Math air sensor. This is plugged in, plugged in, plugged in, plugged in. Yeah, let me get down in here. Here we go. Perfect. This little guy. This little guy goes in here. I mean, I have to open this one up. Let me just screw this in. I don't know why I've opened